In this video, I'll show you how to make the hexagonal pyramid. So the hexagonal pyramid has 6 triangular faces and a hexagonal base. This is one of the elective patterns in our Structuring Streakahedrons challenge. If you want to build a hexagonal pyramid, you will need to take this net and transfer it to a blank sheet of paper. Instructions on how to do that are in our online instruction manual. Once you've done that, you'll need your scissors, your tape, the pen, and a ruler. The first step is to take your scissors and cut the pyramid out. Again, on all of the outer lines, bypass the edge, and on all the inner corners, just cut straight to the corner itself. Once it's completely cut out, and you work your way all the way around, it'll look like this. Once it's completely cut out, the next step is to start scoring. To score it, you'll need your ruler and the pen. So you have to go on every dotted line and just run your pen back and forth a couple times. You work your way all the way around. Once you've worked your way all the way around, it'll look like this. Now we're ready to start assembling it. We're going to take this two-dimensional piece of paper and make it the 3-dimensional hexagonal pyramid. To do that, you're going to need your tape. Before we start taping, we need to fold in on all of our score lines. For these pyramids, it is easier to start folding if you fold the entire side up and then the tab. So bring the entire side and then the tab. Now you can start to see it start taking shape, because these triangular sides are just naturally wanting to fold themselves up. We are going to build this with the tabs on the outside, as you can see in my one that I already made. So to do that, let's bring these two faces together. Make sure you don't overpass them underneath each other. The edges just align in this edge, and tape over. And as you bring this together, make sure you have to bend it apart to get the tab on the outside. And again, we're just working our way now across the bottom part of each face. As we start getting closer and closer to finishing all 6 sides, you saw that I need to actually bend the tab out to allow the face to slip in underneath it. With this last face, make sure this tab ends up on this face, and this tab ends up on this face. So I'll have to bring it underneath, fold over. So now the two tabs, the last 2 tabs, are sitting on the faces. And this is finished taping up. So all we have to do right now is finish taping right around the apex. To do this, we'll take a piece of tape, go almost all the way up to the peak, to the apex, and bring it over. Unlike in our other pyramids where we taped around the apex here, We're not going to do that with this one because we have so many faces here. There'll be enough tape to go all the way around. And you have now completed your hexagonal pyramid.